Hi guys, this is Mitali here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm done with my base makeup and I have a separate video on how I exactly got this base makeup. I'll link it in the I button so that you can check it out. So let's move on with today's video and yeah, let's get started. First I'm doing my brows, and for that I'm taking a black color eyeshadow. You can take any eyeshadow of your choice like dark brown and black, whatever suits your face, and I'm just gonna fill in the gaps in between my eyebrows. And like, this is the most crucial step in my makeup routine. Like, I can go without lipstick, but I'll not go outside without doing my brows. So yeah, it's a very important step, and I'm just gonna brush through my brows so that it looks nice and natural. And I'm all done with my brows. Now let's move on to the eyes, and for that I'm taking this plum wine color and a chocolate brown color from my SFR palette, taking it on a dense fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my crease area, like including the lid space, and I'm just going in a windshield wiper motion. It's really easy, as you can see it on the screen. You just have to blend those color like on your crease area and you are all done. It's simple, easy to achieve, and it looks nice. It's gonna define your eyes, and yeah, it's very easy. Next, move on to the blush. So to get a flush of color on my face, I'm just gonna use a pink color blush on my face, applying it on the apples of my cheek, like usual areas, the center of my face, so that it looks all put together. And yeah, as you can see it on the screen, I'm just applying it all over my face. So we are all done, pinky, and now let's move on to curling our lashes. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes with my lash curler, and it's the usual step. I love doing it before putting on the coats of mascaras. And now I'm just gonna put like 2-3 coats of mascara to my lashes, because I love putting mascaras. Like, these days I don't even wear a lot of liners and I don't wear kajal, so mascara is my thing. I do that. So yeah, all done with mascara. Don't forget to apply it on your lower lashes, because it's gonna make the makeup look put together and nice. Now let's move on to the last step, and that is the lipstick. And here I'm using my Miss Claire lipstick. I'll mention the shade on the screen or else in the description box so that you can check it out. And all the products that I've used in this video, the links for the same will be given in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. Topping up with my neon lipstick, and we are all done with the makeup. Lastly, I'm just going to apply a little bit of highlighter on my body, because yeah girl, here honey, I'm wearing a off shoulder and I want my skin to glow like a goddess. So I'm just gonna apply it and blend it, and here we are all done with the makeup